How to share your location or live location on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to share your live location on WhatsApp. So first thing, just head over to your WhatsApp application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now just choose any of the chat where you want to provide or share your current location or live location. So now just tap on this paperclip icon right next to the camera from the bottom of your screen, and you should see the option that is location. So simply tap on that and you can basically choose on to click on this option that is share live location, and this will show your current location right now. And you can also choose between how long you want to share your live location for. It could be 15 minutes or 1 hour or 8 hours, so it's a custom default hours. Or you can also simply add a comment like this over here and simply click on send to successfully send your live location. And you can always click on this stop sharing if you ever feel like stopping to share your location. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.